welcome everybody, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today in this particular video I will show you how to control a LED by using a mobile phone. For this project you need some component. Okay, so let's see the components. What are the components? You can see at first you need a Bluetooth module. Okay, this is a Bluetooth module. You can clearly see the Bluetooth module. There is 6 pin. For this project we need only 4 pin. First one is VCC, second one is ground, third one is TXD, and fourth one is RXD. Okay, this is the first things we need. And second important things is we need a Arduino Uno board. Okay, this is the Arduino Uno board, you can clearly see, and some jumper wires. Okay, this is the jumper wires. It is already connected to Bluetooth modules 4 pins. Okay, there is 4 jumper wires and there is 2 jumper wires for the LED connection. And you required another thing is a LED and a resistance for rescue the LED from over voltage. Okay, so these things you required for this project. And also another things, you need a connection wire to Arduino to laptop. Okay, this is the wire for Arduino to laptop connection wire. By this wire we can upload the code and also charge the Arduino. Okay, also activate the Arduino. So these things we required for this project. Okay, so I hope you can see this is our Bluetooth module. Now let me discuss about the connection part of my project. Okay, of this project. So you can see there is 4 pin VCC. The VCC pin and ground pin. Okay, the VCC pin and ground pin is connected to Arduino board's ground pin and VIN pin. You can see this is ground pin, this is also ground pin, and there is a VIN pin. So Bluetooth module's ground pin will connect to ground pin of Arduino, and Bluetooth module VCC pin will connect to Arduino board VIN pin. And there is in the Bluetooth module, I will show you, there is TXD and RXD pin. The TXD and RXD pin will also connect to Arduino boards. The Bluetooth module TXD pin will connect Arduino board RXD pin. Okay, you can see this RX pin and 0. It's 0 and the TX pin means 1. Okay, you can see the in the computer language the binary code is 0 and 1. That's why the RX is 0 and TX is 1. And Bluetooth module RX pin will connect to TX pin of Arduino. Opposite things. Okay, Bluetooth module TX pin will connect to Arduino board RX pin, TXD pin, and Bluetooth module RXD pin will connect to Arduino board TX pin. Okay, so these things, I hope you understand these things very clearly. Now the main thing, the connection part. And another thing is, I did not say this, the LED. This is the LED. There is a plus part and there is a minus part. You know, you have to connect a resistance for rescue the LED. Okay, and you have to connect the plus part to Arduino boards. Okay, you can see this is 12. Okay, you have to connect the plus part to Arduino board's 12 pin and minus part to Arduino board ground pin. Okay, there is 3 ground pin. You can see first one, second one, and third one. There is 3 ground pin. You can see GND. GND means ground pin. You have to connect any one ground pin of minus part of LED, and 12, you can see the 12 pin to plus part of LED. Okay, so after connecting these things, I will. So you can see I already connect this component to Arduino board. You can see VIN to ground, and there is 12 and ground. Okay, and another thing you have to remember, you do not have to connect the TXD and RXD pin of Bluetooth module to RX and TX pin of Arduino board before uploading the code. After uploading the code, you have to connect the TX and RX pin of Arduino to TXD and RXD pin of Bluetooth module, because whenever we upload any kind of code, the Arduino board required the TX and RX pin. That's why you do not have to upload, you do not have to connect the TXD and RXD pin of Bluetooth module to Arduino board TX and RX pin. After uploading the code, you can connect the pins. Okay, so let's see how you can upload the code. I hope you can see my laptop screen. For upload the code you need a software which is Arduino software. You can see the Arduino software. This software you have to upload, you have to download. Okay, sorry, you have to download. You can get this software in the Google. You can type Arduino software download. You can easily download the Arduino software. After opening this software, okay, after opening this software you have to type some codes. Okay, you can see this is the code. I will give you the code in the description box. That's why you can easily paste and copy. You can easily copy paste this code. Okay, copy and paste this code. That's why you do not require to type this code. Okay, so this is the code, and otherwise you can also type. Okay, you can also type this code if you are interested to typing. Okay, then you can also type this code. Okay, now let's upload this code. At first you have to check our Arduino board. You can see this is our Arduino board. Okay, you can see the Bluetooth module is already activated and Arduino board is already activated. Okay, you have to connect the Arduino board by this wire. Okay, this is the Arduino wire. You have to connect these things. After connecting these things, you can see, let's see if Arduino board is connected or not. You can see the board Arduino, you can see our connection is already done. Okay, and you can see port is COM3. Okay, COM3, it means already all the things is perfect. Okay, now you have to upload this code. For this you have to upload this code. You can see this is the upload button. Okay, at first you have to save this. I already saved this, that's why. And you have to check if the compiling is let's see the compiling. Okay, you can see compiling is going on. You can see done of compiling. Okay, you can see that is done compiling. Okay, it means there is no kind of error. Then you have to upload. So upload button, click. You can see done uploading. Okay, done uploading. Oh, you can see done uploading. It means our code is already uploaded into our Arduino board. Okay, now let's see. For this project you required a software. You can download this software in the Play Store, from the Play Store. Okay, so at first we have to open the Play Store and and you have to type Arduino Bluetooth controller. You can see Arduino Bluetooth controller. Okay, and you can see this software Arduino Bluetooth controller. You have to open this software. You can see I already downloaded this thing, so that's why open. Okay, so now you can see this is our Bluetooth mod. You can see our Bluetooth module. I show you. Okay, let me show you. You can see this is our Bluetooth module. Okay, this is our Bluetooth module. This is our HC50 Bluetooth module. At first you have to connect the Bluetooth module to our mobile. Okay, I hope you already know the connection of Bluetooth module. This is the common thing. Now this is our software. Okay, you can see HC50 software is already paired but not connected. Okay, so how do you have to do? You have to go into terminal. Then you can see in our code there is, if I type 1, so it means our LED will, so you can see if I type 1. Okay, if I type 1, our LED, I show you. You can see our LED is glowing. Okay, LED is glowing in its full, you can see energy. Okay, not that things. Okay, our LED. Okay, now if you type here 0, then you can see off. Okay, our LED already off. Okay, so I hope you understand these things. You can see HC50 LED on for 1, HC50 LED off for 0. Okay, you can see this is 1, LED on. Okay, let me show you. You can see LED. Okay, so if you are interested to make such kind of project, then you have to subscribe my channel, because in this channel I will give you lot of scientific project. Okay, lot of scientific projects. So please do subscribe my channel, and if you do not understand the full process of these things, then you have to comment me, then I will give you the full tutorial, step by step video I already described these things in step by step also, but I will give you the full tutorial step by step video in your comment section. Okay, so please do comment me. Okay, and if you have any confusion, you can contact with me in Facebook and also Instagram. I'll give you the link in the description, and I also give you the circuit diagram and code in the description. So please check out and enjoy this project. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you everybody. Stay safe, stay happy. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.